Welcome to ShadowSpeak English. Today, we are going to a place where time slows down. To the bookstore. Sarah is looking for a new adventure. She wants to find a book, but she is not sure where to look. Jason is here to help her navigate the shelves and understand the words we use for books. You will learn the names of book parts, how to choose a story, and what it means to browse. Before we begin, here is your question. What is a bookworm? Listen carefully for the answer in our story. Take a deep breath. Relax, and let's begin.
Wow, Jason, it's so quiet in here. It's a very peaceful place, but there are so many books, hundreds of them. Where do we even start?
It looks like a lot, doesn't it? But don't worry, every bookstore is organized into sections. Think of sections, like neighborhoods for books.
Sections. Okay, like this one here, it says fiction.
Exactly. Fiction is the section for stories from the imagination. These are stories that are not real, and over there, on the opposite side, is non-fiction. Non-fiction books are about real facts, history, or science.
I think I want a story today. I want something from the imagination. But look at this sign, mystery. Is that a genre?
Yes, precisely. Genre is just a fancy word for the category or type of the book. For example, mysteries are full of secrets. Romance is about love, and sci-fi is about the future and space.
A genre is a category. I like that. I think I want something exciting. Maybe a thriller. This one looks very interesting. The cover is beautiful, but oh, it's so thick. It's a very heavy book.
It is, but before you open it, look at the spine.
The spine? Like the bone in my back?
Ha ha! Yes, exactly. Just like your back. The spine of a book holds it together. It's the part that faces out on the shelf. It usually has the title and the author's name written on it.
I see it. The author is the person who wrote the book, right?
Correct. Now, turn the book over. Read the blurb on the back.
The blurb? That is a funny word.
It is. The blurb is the short description on the back cover. It tells you a little bit about the story. It helps you decide. If you want to read the whole book...
A secret hidden for years. Oh, I see. The blurb makes it sound very exciting. I think I want to read this one. Jason, look at these books. They look a little older. The edges of the pages are a bit yellow.
This is my favorite part. This is the second-hand section. We also call these pre-loved books.
Pre-loved. That is a very nice way to say they are used.
It is. Someone else owned these books before. And now they are much cheaper. Many bookworms, people who love reading more than anything else, prefer this section because you can find hidden treasures here.
I like the feeling of a second-hand book. It feels like it has a history. Do you mind if I browse here for a minute?
Not at all. To browse means to look at things casually. Without a rush. Take your time. I will meet you at the cafe.
I've decided. I'm going to buy these two. One is a new paperback, and one is second-hand.
Great choices, Sarah. Let's head to the counter. The clerk will help you finish your purchase.
Hello. That will be $15 for both. Would you like a bookmark with your purchase today?
Oh, yes, please. I always lose my place when I stop reading. A bookmark will be very helpful to save my page.
Now you have everything you need. You are officially a bookworm, Sarah.
Sarah had a wonderful day. She learned that the spine holds the title, the blurb tells the story, and a bookworm is someone who loves to read. Now, let's answer our question from the beginning. What is a bookworm? A bookworm is a person who loves reading books very much. Are you a bookworm? What was the last book you read? Tell us in the comments. Thank you for joining ShadowSpeak English. Listen to this story again to practice. Remember, slow progress is still progress. See you in the next video. Goodbye.